Hi, welcome to DeckWise. This is Roderick. I'm the marketing director here. I want to show you something exciting we've got. It is the Hardwood Wrench Jr. This is the ultimate deck board building tool out there. Lightweight, economical, all the bells and whistles of our original hardwood wrench for hardwoods. A lot of you probably seen this, probably own one. This is now a scaled down version of that we have all of the same design, all of the same components, just scaled down a little bit. So I'll show you just a little bit about this. We've got our nice handle here. It's a steel handle. We've got our rotating cam. The cam pushes against the board. We've got our dog leg and our joist pins. Simple design. Anybody can use it. We're just gonna set it, lock it, and fasten. That's how we do it, either for edge grooves or for top-down face screwing. We've got simple configurations. We've got for the single joist, for the double joist, and also for up against walls where you've got a side wall and you can't have that handle swing, so you can just turn that handle around and it just works flawlessly. So again, multi-directional, lots of different uses. It's for the DIYer, the weekend warrior, the pros, whoever. Use it on composites, use it on PT, use it on thermal woods and hardwoods. It's going to push up to 1,100 pounds of force for those bent, warped boards that you're gonna fight. No more chisels, no more pry bars. Get yourself one.